particularly the fierce Coromantins from the Gold Coast. Despite their known dangerous character, their superior strength made them highly valued by planters, leading to the rejection of measures to ban their importation. Gardner explained that Coromantins included the Asantes and Fantes, who were strong and active, making them desirable to planters despite their ferocious tendencies, which made Spanish and French colonists avoid them. Brian Edwards, a historian and longtime resident of Jamaica, provided an authentic description of Coromantin slaves, noting their firmness of body and mind, ferocity, courage, and a stubbornness that enabled them to undertake difficult and dangerous enterprises and face death with fortitude. They sometimes take to labor with great promptitude and